and welcome once more to Wafu TV. Thank you for always being there and thank you for your support. Today we have something new, and of course, before we go into what we have today, a quick reminder of what we did last time. Our last lesson was on addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Today, our topic is multiplication and division of algebraic expressions. And our objectives is by the end of the lesson, we should be able to multiply algebraic terms, divide algebraic terms, and to simplify algebraic expressions. Take note that what we are doing or what we do in this platform is simply laying a foundation, a very solid foundation, and having the basic understanding of elementary mathematics, so that when it comes to complex situations in mathematics, you can easily handle them. Without waste of time, we're going to go straight into solving some examples so that you can better understand and practice what we are talking about. If you look at this simple question, it says 5 times A. What is the answer? 5 times A simply means 5A. This is how you start building the blocks, so that when it comes to complex situations, you can be able to solve them. So 5 times A will give us 5A. Let's look at the second example, number 2. Number 2 says 3 times 4x. In this case, what do? We identify the whole numbers and multiply these whole numbers. 3 times 4, which is equal to 12, and our x will follow suit. So 3 times 4x is equal to 12x. Number 3, look at this one carefully. 4ab times 5. This simply means 4 times A times B times 5. And at this level, what we do, we bring the numbers, the like terms together, and take the unknown to the other side. That is 4 times 5 times A times B. And this will be equal to 4 times 5 is 20, and AB follows. So our answer will be 20AB. This is what you do when you have a situation as such. Let's look at the fourth example. 14y all over 7. What do we do as far as this is concerned? You simply divide or simplify the whole numbers and maintain your unknown. And if you look at this, 14 and 7, 7 is a factor of 14, so 7 can divide 14. 7 divide itself 1 time and divide 14 2 times. That is 2y. Or you can also take it as such, 14 all over 7 times y. If you want, you can put this all over 1 and it will give us the same answer, which is equal to 2y. So either of this will give you the same answer, and this is what you do when you have a question as such. Let's look at number 5. 2/3 of 36a. In this case, this is what you do. You can express it as 2/3 of means multiplication, 36 all over 1 times a. And if you look at any denominator and numerator that can divide, you have 3 here. 3 is a factor of 36, so it can divide 36. 3 into 3, 1. And 3 into 36, 12 times. 2 times 12 is 24. So our answer will be 24a. So that is what you do when you have a question as such to solve. Let's look at the next example, example 6. 5ab divided by a. What do we do as far as this is concerned? We simply write 5 times a times b, all divided by a. And what can we do here? A will simplify a, and you'll be left with 5b. So this is what you do if you have a question as such. If you have a question on division or multiplication of algebraic expressions as such, what do you do? The first thing is you can rewrite it as 18 all over 6 times y. 6 divide itself once, and 6 into 18 3 times. And our answer will be equal to 3y. As far as this is concerned, you can write this out as 1/7 of means multiplication, 35 times m. You can express this all over 1. 7 here 1 time, 7 into 35, 5 times. 1 times 5 times m is going to give us 5m. With this understanding and with this little we had for you today, we believe you've learned something, and if you did, make sure you put into practice so that you won't forget. Next lesson, we're going to start with fractions. Don't miss it, because this will be as interesting as our past lessons. Thank you for always being there. Endeavor to subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos so that we can improve on our service. See you in our next lesson. Ciao.